Elias loved the quiet rhythm of restoration. Bringing forgotten relics back to life was his passion. This grandfather clock, a recent acquisition, was a masterpiece of craftsmanship. But as he delved deeper, he sensed something unusual. Behind a seemingly normal plate, he found it. A hidden section. The metal was colder, almost alive, and it pulsed with a faint internal clicking, unlike anything he'd ever encountered in clockwork. The closer he looked, the more unsettling it became. The intricate patterns weren't merely decorative. They seemed organic, almost like a network of tiny metallic nerves. He felt a prickle of unease, a feeling that he had stumbled upon something he shouldn't have. That night, Elias couldn't shake the feeling of being watched. The clicking from downstairs was more pronounced, a steady, rhythmic beat that seemed to echo in his very bones. And in the periphery of his vision, shadows danced with a life of their own. It wasn't just the clock. Other antique mechanisms in his workshop began to exhibit the same strange behavior. A music box, once playing sweet melodies, now emitted a disturbing chorus of clicks, and then he saw it, a thin metallic thread growing from within the wood. It was spreading. This infection. The mechanical plague was seeping into everything he touched, twisting familiar objects into grotesque parodies of their former selves. His sanctuary was becoming a nightmare. The transformation wasn't just aesthetic, they were changing, animated by something malevolent. The innocent became monstrous. He had to stop it. It all started with the clock. He ripped it open, desperate to find the source, to sever the connection before it consumed everything. But it wasn't just a mechanism. It was alive. A dark, mechanical heart beating with a sinister purpose. And its tendrils were reaching everywhere. Tick, tock, join us.